Okay, on to the fun part.
So these brackets,
not the ones that were bad.
they don't like to live in here. The claim these are thicker. Yeah, I guess. Slightly.
Means they break quicker. Break other things.
Yeah.
Well, these ones are all glued in. But we still didn't get the big brackets. But you have to worry about them later.
Yeah. I kind of repaired those already. I'm good with what I did. If they give me more trouble, I'll buy those too. I guess. If they make me.
These have been repaired already. Customized. Seem to be holding up. Looks like we have an Allen 3/16, maybe. And you got this special custom-made thing down here. I'm not sure what that is.
That's just a little stainless steel wire. That's all I had to fix the problem when we did it last.
But that is custom though, whatever that is. Look at that. Not everybody could make them like that.
It worked. It worked.
Not everybody can make them like that.
It's worked since we worked on it last.
Oh, this one has the pigtail on this side. Look at that. Look at that. Got a pigtail on that one. There you go. Link, link,
You
link.
got the job done.
Got to get a pigtail on your hog now. You got a torque screw? There's no torque screw here. Is that torque screw supposed to be used?
And the Allen in the middle.
Is that supposed to actually be used for the mounting bracket?
That's what it says.
Somebody wants in.
Nudie pootie.
Somebody's making a lot of noise over here. Oh, there's more than one. Oh,
The whole game, huh?
you were wrong. It was the wrong one.
Oh my.
That was the third one that came in. They're looking for the bed over there. It's missing. Got an electric cord in their bed. Checking things out. I wouldn't drink that water.
Somebody was living there at some point.
Glue down?
No, they just go on this little.
Oh, they got those pins on there probably.
Yeah. See which way it used to slide. It's supposed to slide that way.
You gotta match it up to get the right one. Yeah, it looks pretty
Seems to
close.
be the one.
Except that's a different ear on the end of it. Doesn't match.
It's not quite exactly the same.
Yeah. Wonder why.
This end.
Just checking out those fuel jugs over there. I think you're hiding food over there. Look at that. Inspecting, shop inspectors are going crazy over there, checking us out, making sure we're doing it correctly, because I know we're not. Okay, this one has a hook on this side too.
So we may have to modify just ever so slightly.
What modifications are required? I don't know about that. Oh, you're over there playing with your modification. We'll go over and work. Uh-oh. Checked up on that. Checking out everything over there.
Are we okay? What's going on here?
I don't know. I haven't seen the verdict yet on whether we're going to pass the inspection or not.
Full inspection coming on here.
This is going to cost a lot of money, I can tell. Good thing it passed up my safety shoes. You know, I must be safe. See, I know better. This tech screw is supposed to be the correct screw. Where's the 3/16 Allen? Oh, you got another wrench. Ooh, overkill. Oh, they're checking out that water bowl over there. Don't know what they're gonna get in that thing. Uh-oh. Checking out them safety shoes.
I'm gonna leave this and break it off before I get on there.
Breaking low.
Break it off before we get anything on there.
Boy, what's wrong with yours? Mine fits. What's going on over here? Supposed to be a dog stand over there.
My, sounds dangerous.
It is. Hey, what are you doing over there? What are you guys doing over there? Trying to see which one's going to bite me. These are a little bit longer than the other ones, aren't they?
Take a little adjustment.
Is this the correct screw that's supposed to be in there? What do you got?
I don't want it to live under tension because it's going to break again. That's what it wants to do.
I seem to be going in there just fine.
Go ahead and button these up then. It's going to take a little adjustment.
Hey, hey. Yeah. What are you doing over there? What are you doing over there? Ah, biting my toe. Biting my toe. What about you? You gonna bite my toe too? What about you? You don't like feet. He's got the toe biter over there. Oh, it's going to my mini toe. Look at that. I need more torque than that. You stole my wrench.
Yeah. I feel like he's adjusting the brake again.
Oh,
I
sure
should
they are.
have just left it alone. My fancy wire. They're gonna break in the same spot.
That's hard to believe. How much torque is supposed to be on that screw? I got torque too much already.
You go until it gets easy again.
And back off a quarter?
Yep.
Okay. So we got going on over here.
Let's see what it feels like.
Appears to be been customized over here. There's been a lot of customization going on. Can bring the ear down a
About
little bit
like
more?
that.
Why don't you pull that ear down a little bit more?
What do you mean?
You pull this corner down, why don't you flip it like that? Put some more tension on before you tighten it down. Free bend it like you were talking about.
It's gonna that's what it is. It's gonna live there. It's gonna break again. What's gonna happen? It's probably good. It's probably good.
It's flexible, doesn't have a problem.
Like this is just.
Your corner's bent down a lot lower than mine is. Mine's
Yeah,
really
yours-
flat. Mine
this
fits
is
right
it.
in. Got tension on it right there. Look at that. See? Took the tension off of this. Yeah, that's tight.
It just needs to be.
See, it flexes down when you put
Should be.
weight on it, so I was holding it up in the air, so. Both fairing goes like this. When you put all this stuff on, it's gonna twist it on who knows what direction.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a big mess. That's why they break. There's no, you don't know where the load is at on anything.
All right, this is going to be the exciting part.
Look at this. I'm not even close here.
Yeah.
How's yours line up? Probably should put that bolt in first.
This stuff just kind of it moves everywhere. See? No. Line that up when we get on there.
We want to put this bolt in first and retorque these two on both
No,
sides.
it's got to go into the. Goes into all the rest of the stuff. Those just get screwed in.
Yeah, but at least put this where the tension's going to be in the right spot. Then torque those two. See what I'm saying?
We'll come back to it if we need to.
Well, you don't know until it
Yes,
breaks
it
again.
is.
It's gonna, it's
gonna
loaded.
break. It's gonna break.
We already know it's gonna break because it breaks every time you put it together because it's a Harley.
Should we set this thing down on the ground? It'd be easier to work there.
Probably.
Here? No, right here.
I don't know.
Yeah, right here.
Toss up.
I agree.
Your call.
Leave it where it's at probably.
I just jump up on the lip, but you can. Whatever's gonna work better. This is that light finish, so I know you can see it a little better. We don't use screws out of here for this, do we? This should have been all pretty much fork stuff. Okay. Now, which way that down is fine. I think you're looking first. Fluid control and stuff. Way back. Okay, what do I need to do?